Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to post on Truth Social. So let's get into the video. So open up the Truth Social app. So just open it up and then log into your account. So we'll log into your account, and then here once you're up on your account, so we're going to do, if you want to make a post on your profile here, so we're going to do is simply hit on this note option here. So that's the create new option. So simply click on it, and this will now open up this this page here. So here you can just type in whatever. It's very similar to Twitter, so you can just type in whatever whatever you want to mention or post. You can just type that in or copy and paste it. So whatever the text, you can do that here. And then if you want to add any photos or videos, then simply you can just click on this photo option here. So you can just add photo or take a photo from your camera. You can do that, or if any video, you can also do that. The same thing, you can take a video or choose from your phone. So whatever that is. So once you're done with everything and you're done with that, and then what you're going to do, just to simply post it, hit on this truth option here, and that will post your feed. So this now, so whatever your post will now be appear on your feed as well as on the others, whoever that follows you. So there you go. And that's pretty much how you post on Truth Social. It's pretty easy and straightforward to use. Hope this video was helpful. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.